So this is our gorgeous, gorgeous, my favourite Céline python skin clutch. It's called, according to Céline, an iPad clutch, because I suppose it fits your iPad in. But it's an iPad tablet cover, or it is a clutch bag, and it is exquisite and in perfect condition. There is nothing wrong with it at all. It's perfect everywhere. So you've got Céline Paris there. All of the leather bits are so soft, so soft, and absolutely immaculate. Genuinely nothing wrong with it. So the zip pull says Céline on it and still has the plastic wrap, and inside it says made in Italy there, but I don't know if that will show, but absolutely perfect inside. It comes with a tag, it comes with Céline dust bag, and it comes with Céline original box, and also all the documentation that from the different places that needs there. I absolutely, genuinely love this clutch bag. I'm a huge clutch bag fan. The reason being, when I go out every day, as I'm sure for most of you, you go out, you have so much stuff to take with you. You have a bag. I often have a change of clothes, a change of shoes, footwear. I have definitely snacks and a pack up, bottles of water. I have my iPad. I have paperwork and pens, because I still deal with paperwork in some places. I have so many different things in my bag, as you do. So much stuff. And you turn up to wherever it is that you're going, perhaps you're meeting a client in an office or something, and you get there and you put your bag down, and then you need to go to the toilet, you need to go to the ladies, and you just don't want to take that whole big massive suitcase with you. So what I do is I have this, well not this, I have my own clutch bags, but I have a clutch bag, and in it I put everything that I would want to kind of carry about my person if I was going to ladies or whatever. I put it in here. So it means that I can just take this, leave the big suitcase where it is, take this, jobs are good in, and it means you're not carting all that stuff around with you. So for me, a clutch bag is sort of something I have as well as the bag that I'm using. I kind of have 2 bags a day. That's why I'm in the bag business, I like bags. But yeah, this is just exquisitely beautiful, absolutely perfect condition, got all the documentation that it needs. It's just beautiful.